Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today, we're going to do a mail call. I want to give a big shout out to But It's Vegan. She sent me some seeds from a contest that she held, and I'm going to show you what they are and show you which ones I'm going to start dropping seeds with. So this is the U.S. mail bag that it came in, and we have some red onions, and I think I'm going to use the onions in companion planting to help with the pest. We have some more onions here. We have some garlic. I'm probably going to take the garlic and plant it as well so that it helps with the pest. The seeds that we got giant winter. We have some Georgia Southern collards. We have some Market More 76 cucumbers. I'm probably going to plant them. We have some Black Magic kale, and we have some dinosaur kale. And I know what the dinosaur kale looks like. I don't know what the Black Magic looks like, so I'm curious to start those. And I have Georgia Southern collards already, but I'm going to go ahead and start some of these. I also got some more seeds from Tomato Fest. And I got 5 varieties of seeds. And I'm going to start in my deep water culture, the dwarf almondine and the fruit punch. And regular tomatoes, I know I'm late doing so, but I'm going to start the Yukon Quest, the Gallinia, and the Rosella Crimson. So later in the day, I'm probably going to drop seeds and then put them inside the grow tent. And hopefully by the time they're ready to be transplanted out into the garden, I'll have everything put together and you can see what the new and improved version looks like. So, as I said, it was going to be a real quick mail call. I want to thank you for coming along with me. And if you got anything out of it, give me a big thumbs up. For those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.